IoT devices as well. I mean, that opens up a new array, that opens up the new area of business companies. It more better than someone who knows IoT and 5G better in India than Mr. Sumnesh Joshi. So, sir, if we can, sir, will join us.
Yeah.
Please take payments in over the devices, which can be connected over internet.
Yeah.
That's what we have been working on. If you can help us understand your vision, government's vision, 5G.
Yeah, of course, one is the Internet of Things, let me call. So that is irrespective of 4G, 5G or 3G. So Internet of Things works if internet is there, that's it. It's on the speed. And to what else that is, the chats work only with the 5G that you are going quickly. The high speed or low level latency, and maybe not immediately, but soon. We will have all the automated vehicles, driverless vehicles, and the vehicle communication into the lab. So when we put to sensor, and sensor for everything, right? Temperature measuring to the moisture measuring to maybe entry of the person or maybe the CCTV. So whatever you are seeing, all are the sensors basically. So now how we see the data, we are capturing under sensors. And that you can manipulate for this appendage of the panel. Or maybe the acoustic method that we are using. So and the expectation of the consumer, what I can say, is day by day increasing. Maybe earlier when internet was working on 9.10 APS, people are really happy, or now even in 10 Mbps people are not happy the moment they see this slightly delay in the speed. So the point that the quick service, which how to make the payment. Now of course the QR code API is event payment that all you are offering in any wallet solution payment services into the QR codes. But now what next is about? See, what wrong he was get the QR code that is purchased. And then someone is given something and we are purchasing something. So why not the seller will trigger something and that will come to very handy device and I simply single click solution I can make the payment. You can just there is no need to take the wallet out and when you mobile out and open the app and the scan. No expectation why to scan it? Right. Why to show the barcode? To read up QR to NFC. Yeah, you an NFC. So all these things, so maybe we are already taking a lead. So another the use case of the IoT sensors is see in the rural area. So suppose the farmer required to measure the moisture to increase the productivity. Because moisture is required for the particular crop. So different crop, different moisture level. But who is going to assist? Right. So maybe there are agriculture scientists, agriculture officer, but provided they have the data about all these things. And data, if you ask the farmer, then how he will give the data. So then they require the sensors, but then again we have to train and they have to buy the sensor. So we can use these devices through a village level enterprise model, so VLE model. So those VLEs can use this sensors in a prototype and for the nominal fee. They can go to the farmer and to take all the data, whether there is any disease in the plant or what is the moisture level or maybe the environmental, what is the temperature. So all these things, and maybe the soil quality, what is the fertilizer level, all these things, and those inputs to the sensor will go to server. Right, and then at the back end, then many companies can assist taking the help of the agriculture officer that what is the best for this particular farmer. So like this, we can provide the service at the very nominal way, and of course then it will help increasing the productivity. So we can have a collaboration, between and now to reach the farmers, maybe we have different societies also. So maybe companies can have a tie-up or maybe buy the sensors. Wow. And then maybe in India, we have to find out that where there is a scope for the sensor-based payment. Lots of places, because we are part in the Scandinavian countries where people are less. So the Amazon started, or maybe you walk in the store and just pick up your stuff and just go out. So everything is taken care by the sensors, right? It's a truly, amazing experience. If I just imagine that, I'm just walking the store, whatever I want, I'll simply pick up and put in my basket and just go out. And everything is taken care by the sensors. So, these are the things, it will come, maybe not in that particular fashion, but any other thing, maybe some places where people are in hurry or people are very used to. So why not we can do all these things? Maybe we can imagine any situation, maybe it's, people are coming, so maybe they are entering from one side and just exit to other side, and then maybe they are just able to pick up their stuff, right?
Customers are spoiled again.
But see, what business will increase.
Yeah, absolutely. So I see that, of course, IoT, 5G has much greater role to play as and when it goes ahead. Furthermore, I see that relating this to what was the volume of transactions we are expecting in UPI. I mean, 40 billion transactions, we have to go to 100 billion transactions.
Correct.
So I see that, this particular technology upgrade at backend and only going to empower more and more devices. It is going to create more use cases.
Yeah.
It is going to bring in more entrepreneurs to think about what better can be brought in.
Yeah. And one more thing is not only the payment. See, we talk about the all other stuff, the e-governance, or maybe any, for the manufacturing sector also. So we buy the machines, right? And the insurance company gives some cleanup for that machine. But suppose sensor is there and continuously, the quality of the machine, or it's coming real time, that insurance company can say, I will charge less premium, provided the data should come to me, right? And the moment, any wear tear and that machine requires some maintenance. So, the preventive maintenance. So machine will always run continuously. There is no, running down.
Agree. So it will create more opportunity for entrepreneurs in India. It will create last mile. It will bring in more business opportunity there.
How, we are just awaiting that how it's going to change. And companies like AU and extensively working with Apology and going to change the way we are delivering the services. And of course, the DPI has done all these things, but on the IoT, we are, waiting that how it's going to change the entire ecosystem.
Thank you so much, sir. That's that amazing insight. And I would like to invite all those who believe in IoT to understand how the IoT would work. How do we bring payment over IoT is something which I want everyone to think about. And we are here to collaborate. We are here to work with you. It may be a ring, it may be a phone, it may be a watch, it may be a car, it may be any device which can connect over internet. We can bring its payment over it. So that's a great use case that we all can collaborate and work together in the industry. It's a really large.
But see, this is an IoT thing, and that triggered still in my mind. We are talking, and I am thinking, what will be the use case? There is no limit for the imagination. What thoughts has come? That I used to take the order on the Swiggy maybe 3 times or 4 times in a day. So what I can do, the gentleman is coming, the moment they enter at my doorstep, payment should be detected using the sensor. Maybe some code is there. Yeah, right. I have just remarked that yes, my code is there, and I have just filling the Swiggy application. So whenever something is coming from them, right, and so sensor-based thing, is coming with their maybe the packet or all these things.
We talk about the payment process. HTC has already launched AutoPay. So it has already launched Light.
So everything will be taken care of that day.
So I would say that the payment platform exists. But the use case
is not so many things that will give very convenient way, or we are not having time now. So and of course, as a consumer, we all are spoiled. Absolutely.
Great, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much for your insight.
Thank you.
Really,
Thank you.
thank you so much, Mr. Sumnesh, for it was our pleasure and honor to have you as a guest speaker. So thank you so much, sir, once again, and thank you, Deepak, being the panelist. Well, thank you, guys. We can have a round of applause. Thank you. So stay tuned. We will have this kind of tech talks. Thank you, and see you once again.